चलो join fast. Why students are taking time for joining? Only 31 are there. What about others? So after 5 minutes, I will not take anybody. Huh? So it is informed to you all that I am putting the link before 5-10 minutes. Okay. So at least for first lecture, you should join before the 10. What is the time is there? And no one is allowed, irrespective of your network, all this thing. Sit here, proper network will be there and proper range will be there. Krishna, why always you are joining the late? Koli? Krishna, Koli, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Why are you late?
Sir, charging my mobile, sir, charging laun.
This is first lecture and you are saying that charging is not there. Wake up early in morning at 4-5 and then put mobile for charging.
नाही सर लाईट नसते इकडे आता आले 10 वाजता आले लाईट लाईट आलेले चार्जिंग लावून चालू केले लेक्चर
Sure, do not waste time now. Discussion of that. So what is the last lecture? What is in last lecture?
Port 0.
So we have finished with the port 0. Correct. How was the test? Yesterday test. Only 42 students have solved the test. And nobody has got the out of what marks. Very easy test on chapter number first. Only 5 questions are there. Each question for 2 marks.
आन्सरचं डिस्कशन करता बस सर 1 मिनिट सर
काय म्हणताय?
confusion आहे 2 क्वेश्चन मध्ये
हॅलो महेश आहेत का?
नाही गणेश आहे
हा गणेश बोला की.
आन्सरचं डिस्कशन करता बस सर 2 क्वेश्चन मध्ये जरा कन्फ्युजन आहे सर.
बरोबर नाही करूया 5 क्वेश्चन आहेत. एखादं लेक्चर आपलं झालं ना 100% आपण करूया डिस्कशन त्याचं. आता लेक्चर थोडे सिलेबस हे करूया. ओके चलो राईट नेक्स्ट पॉइंट that is port 3. I think port 2 also remaining na. Yes, so we have finished the port 0. Now only port 2 and port 3 is remaining, so we'll finish it in the 5-10 minutes. Now we have understood how it is there, it is working. Make it fast. Now this diagram and put next point port 2 as a input port. In that A case, port 2 in that first case input port. And draw this diagram fast, everyone. Again, in this case also, we have the address data control here. Why this circuit is added? Why this part is included in port 0 and port 2? Yes, last lecture I told the reason of that. Because port 0 as well as port 2 act as a multifunctional, including port 3 also. So port 2 act as 8-bit bidirectional port, that is input as well as output. Along with this, what is dash MCQ? Full tail. Port 2 act as. Port 2 has two functions. One is called as bidirectional input output port. Another is we have written in the while writing architectural diagram. This is asking MCQ. Output, input, output as well as
lower address or data address.
yes. It's not lower address, higher address, madam. Higher address bus, that is A to A15. Because AD0 to AD7 is by default in the port 0. It has the address as well as data bus multiplexed. Okay. And in case of remaining address bus is in the port 2 itself. Don't forget it, huh? So port 2 act as 8-bit bidirectional port input output as well as it act as a higher address bus from A to A15. I have to remember this, huh? Very easy MCQ is asking, but you are not listening carefully. What I am saying MCQ, we should put the point in the paragraph in notebook. You should understand that. And case is no, we know it case. To make port as an input, what is the requirement? Any port of 8051 to make as an input. What is the requirement? This thing also you have forgotten. Send the high level signal on that port to make as a input. Means any port that P is equal to 0FF to make all port as a input. And to make output, send the data 0 on that through the internal CPU bus. Okay, diagram is over.
No,
Make it. Hurry up fast. Once over, please tell me. Over. Have you done this?
No, sir.
Okay, make it fast. Over. Mahesh.
yes, sir.
Okay. So let's understand that we are making as a port as a input port. And what is the requirement to make the input port? Note, we have to send the high level signal on that port through the internal bus. Okay. And to any port to be used as it is the input or output. That time this control signal will be 0. That is the requirement. If the signal will be 0, by default, the mux switch will be at the connected to the output of the flip-flop. Okay. So whenever this will be 1, that time only switch will switch to the this data or address bus. In the previous case also we have seen that port 0. Okay. So initially as CS control signal is 0, this is disabled. That's why the switch of this NOT gate is connected to the output of the flip-flop. Okay. Now to make as the input, what is the requirement? Sending the internal bus data 1. So I will draw it is 1 here. So I'm sending one signal here. As this is 1, this output will be 1. Okay, as this is coming 1. Not there. Here 1. Okay, so this will be 0 because NOT gate is connected here. So it's not possible to draw this 0. Okay, so we'll understand that. So one output of inverter is going to be 0. That's why this FET will be off. As FET will be off, and internal pull-up resistor is going to be very, very high. Okay, because this one signal is only low, irrespective of the 0. This output will be 0. That's why it will offer the high resistance. And that's why what is the data available on this port directly connected to the read pin. So data will go to the like this directly in that format. Okay, and we'll read the data. So we can make the port as a input. Understood? हेलो, कहाँ लगा है input port operation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So below that, write shortly only. This thing is not required to write down. Write down. To make as the input port, send high level signal on the port pin or port. Write down. Send high level signal. Send high level signal on the port 2 to make it as a input. Send high level signal on the port 2 to make as a input below. So D equal to 1, shortly we'll write. So D equal to 1, as D is 1, Q will be 1. Q1 means what? Inverter output 0. Q is 1 means inverter output 0. And which makes the FET or MOSFET off. It's a FET. Inverter output is 0, which makes FET off. I'll repeat one more time. As D equal to 1, Q is 1. So output of inverter will be 0, which makes FET off. Full stop. Done up till now? First sentence over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At the same time, control signal equal to 0. At the same time, the control signal is 0. So that whatever data available on the port 2.x is read by the read pin. So that whatever data available on the port 2.x is read by the read pin. So in this buffer, it will be stored, and by default through the internal bus, it goes to the CPU. Done? Hello? At the same, I'll repeat, at the same time, control signal is 0, so that whatever data available on P2.x pin is read by the read pin, and that will transfer internally. It is connected to the internally by default internal CPU bus. It is going to the CPU itself. So we're reading the data, means it acts as the input. So input may be 0, 1, it will read it automatically. Chalo, done?
Yes, sir.
We need to disconnect, then we'll go. Then to make as a port, okay, it remains like this only. So I need annotation. Okay, it is gone. Second case, port 2 as output and writing 0 on that. Port 2 as a output and writing 0 on this pin. Writing 0 means what? The voltage level on this pin will be 0. That means it will be grounded. That is a requirement. And things are too easy. I will take annotation and then we'll write down that. Chalo. Diagram draw nahi. So this diagram will be used for 3 cases. So just you will understand in that what I'm doing here. Okay. To make as output, we know that what we are sending the 0 on the port pin. Okay. So as I'm sending here 0, what happens? As a D will be 0, Q will be 0. Okay. So it is not able to write 0 here. Okay. As this is 0 and by default CS is 0 for all the port to be acted as a input output. That's why it will connect it here only. So as D is 0, the output of this 0 pin will give the high level signal at the FET. And this FET will be on. As FET is on, the whole VCC is going to be grounded. Means voltage at this moment will be 0. So that means the port 2 point X becomes at the ground level. Okay, so like this way making output and writing 0 on this port. Clear? 3 conditions, 2 conditions only. CS must be 0 and input data sending on that will be 0. That's why D0, Q0, Q bar doesn't matter. Q0 means inverter gives a high level signal, so it will make the FET on. FET on means the whole signal goes to the ground side. Means port 2 is connected to the by default ground. So the voltage level or signal on the port will be 0. Means we are writing 0 on that pin. Clear? Write down. To make port as output, send 0 on the port. Send 0 on the port. At the same time, control signal will be 0. At the same time, control signal will be 0. To make port 2 as output, send 0 on that port. At the same time, CS control signal will be 0. Full stop. Next. Sending 0 means what? Below that. As D is 0, comma, Q will be 0. Q is 0 equal to can make Q equal to 0. That's why the output of inverter will be high. That's why the output of inverter will be high. This high means what? The port is connected to the ground level signal. All VCC and the signal goes to the ground. Output of FET will be high. So the output of the inverter will be high, which makes FET on, so that port 2 is connected to the ground. So that port 2 is connected to ground means signal available will be 0 on that. Done? Return?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Easy hai. Last case, writing 1 on that. Okay, writing 1 means what? What is change here only? I'm sending the high level signal here. That 1 is remaining. If I use annotation, this is problem. So writing 1 on that means what? Same case, CS signal will be 0. Sending the 1 on the internal bus. This is 1. The D will be 1. Q will be 1 also. And this 1 means what? Output of inverter will be 0. Inverter output 0 means the fate will be off. Fate off means what? The whole signal VCC goes to the output pin. Means this VCC is directly connected to the port 2.x. Means port is at the high level. So I'm writing the 1. 1 means high level signal on the port pin. Clear? Or should I repeat one more time? Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right below that, port 2 as output and writing 1 on that. Port 2 as output and writing 1 on that. Shortly we'll write. CS signal is 0 and D equal to 1. CS is equal to 0 and D equal to 1, which makes Q equal to 1, which makes Q equal to 1 and inverter output 0. Inverter output 0. Inverter output 0 means fate is off. Fate is off means the port 2.x is connected to the VCC. Means P2.x is equal to VCC is equal to 1. Means it is at the high level. Return. In one line we written D1 CS 0, Q1 inverter output 0, fate off. Fate off means P2.x is equal to VCC. So we can explain this in proper way once you written the equation format. Done, everyone? झालं का?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. As we know that this is a multifunctional pin, we need to use what? This is as a higher address on data bus. Okay, so now we will need act as a higher address bus only. So in this case, we need to connect only CS signal high level only. As CS will be high level, this mux pin comes at the address data bus, and that time it will be either I'm sending high level, low level on the data bus, address bus, it goes to the CPU side. This is the requirement. So port 2 as address bus 8 to 15, control signal must be sent 1 only. Okay, and this is 1 by default. That what is data coming either address 0 and the control signal 1. That time the fate will be on and the signal goes to directly port pin. What is coming here? Write down port 2 as a address bus. To make this address bus, requirement is what? Control signal must be 1. So this port, in this case, 2 cases are there. To make the port 0, address bus 0 and address bus 1. So first case is address bus is 0. So how it makes lower fate on, let's see. We'll go to the diagram here. This doesn't matter to us. CS signal 1 means what? This comes here. Okay, this switch is coming here. And I'm writing the address 0 on that. So address 0 means this is connected to the inverter. So inverter is 0 is coming. A0 means inverter will be, output of the inverter will be 1. 1 means fate is on. Fate on means what? This what is the port act as an address? Address will be 0 on that because it's connected to the ground level. Second case, sending the 1 on the address. Okay, so this will be 1. CSB 1 by default. that time it will offer the lower resistance path here. And this is 1 means what? Output will be 0, FET is off. And FET off means this 2.x connected directly to the VCC. Means the port 2.x become address bus and signal will be high level on that. This is 2 cases on that pin. Understood? Hello? Have you understood how to use this address bus port 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Things are easy. These things with you only, slides are there. You can refer. Will not waste time when the writing too much things in that. But start writing assignment 2. So first writing assignment 1, you have taken too much time. And still only 46 students have submitted assignments. Chalo. Next write down port 3. Draw this diagram. And we know that port 3 also is a multifunctional. It has INT0, INT1, timer 0, timer 1, and the read write. Mostly used for the interrupt signals can be generated along with the read write bar control signals to interface the external memory. So MCQ is asking like this also. So port 3.0 act as used for port 3.0 is always used for what? INT0 external interrupt. Like this MCQ is asking on that. The function of pin number 30 in the 8051 is for what? ALE signal address latch enable to separate out the data bus from the address bus. Once the diagram is over, please tell me. And you can observe here in this port 2 and port 3 also, it has internal pull-up resistors, except port 0. Is it visible properly? Hello? I feel it's a blur.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
I'll zoom it out. Some students are then complaining that that the image is not properly clear. The chapter 2 is little bit large one. Will take some time. Till we require the 4 to 5 lectures to finish that. That's why I'm telling start writing assignment one by one. As points are taken, explanation of ports, block diagram, architecture diagram, features, pin description. We are done with that. Article is there? Article roll number 1.
Yes, sir.
What is the role of PC program counter? Program counter is there in that 8051 architecture. Hello. Will tell me who knows that. Program counter of PC. PC's function का आस्ते? I told that MCQ is asking like this on that exam. Or internal oral exam also it is asking. So PC always points the address of next instruction to be fetched. What will come next? To understand the microcontroller, PC hold the address of that. Means currently we are processing at 8000 address. Then PC will hold 8001. Like that. Don't forget this. Huh? PC always point the next address of the instruction. Shivani, clear? अटकले. मी विचारणार नंतर एक 8 दिवसानंतर तुम्हालाच परत काय अटकळे मॅडम. तुम्ही रिमाइंड करा मला परत 8 दिवसांनी सर पीसीचं फंक्शन काय ते विचारा म्हणून. ओव्हर डायग्राम इज ओव्हर. 5 minutes are there. Over.
Yes, sir.
सांगायचं लवकर. चलो. So we'll explain in this diagram same input, output, and writing 0 and 1 and that same diagram. Okay. We know that to make input port, any port 3. Now, if you observe here, we have the one more circuitry here, that is and NAND gate along with the alternate output function. Means this port 3 act as bidirectional 8-bit bidirectional port as well as multi-functions. Other functions are there, that is the external interrupts INT0, INT1, timer 0, timer 1, read write bar and the transmit receive interrupts are there. To work that as well as to act as a bidirectional. So we'll focus on the first, it acts as the input output port. To become as the input port, always I'm sending the high level signal on that. Okay, high level through the internal bus. Okay, and at the same time, to use this as a output input, the A of signal will be always going to be 1. Okay, to use that. That is remember logic hint for that. And this is 1 input signal, also it is 1 coming here. Okay, writing 1 on that. So D equal to 1, Q1. Q1 and the this AOF signal also 1. Means the output of the AND gate will be 0. The AND gate output 0 means what? Fate is off. Fate off means what? If what is signal is coming on that, it will not go to the VCC because current flowing like this only. So what is signal coming on the port 3 point any pins is goes directly to the here read pin only. Okay, as this AOF is not 0, when 0 will be there, it comes here only. We are taking output as the multifunctional, but we will need only to read that signal. This goes to the read pin and to the internal bus here like this. Clear? Condition remember to make as input sending 1 on that. So D is 1, Q1. The same type AOF signal will be 1. This is 1, this is 1. Output 0. 0 means fate off. Fate off means this in goes to here. Otherwise, you can go to reverse also. What is the requirement? I want this port signal goes directly to the this pin here. So what is the requirement? You should understand that. To go this fate I want to make off. When the fate will be off, when the output of this gate will be 0. And we know that NAND gate only when both inputs are high, that time output of the NAND gate will be 0. When this is 1, this is 1. This is 1 means what? It is working for the bidirectional. This 1 means Q1 means D1. So writing on that. Reverse way also we can go with. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I go to the next point? Tell you get to operation. You will write, I'll give the homework as a write operation of that input port to make as input. Keep some line below that. Second case to make as output writing 0. Third case writing 1 on that. This will be homework and you have to send the screenshot of that. Let's go the next. To make this port as a output and writing 0 on that. Condition we know it. Writing output making output port means internally we are sending the 0 on this signal. Okay, sending 0 on this signal means what? An AOF signal by default 1. D will be 0. Interbus data is coming 0. D0 means Q will be 0. As Q is 0 coming and one signal is high, the output of the signal will be high. And this is operation of NAND gate, try to remember. When 1 1 will come, output 0. Other things, output will be high. So 1 in 0 is input for NAND gate, output is high. High means FET is on. As the FET is on, this is grounded. Means the port to 3.x pin is at the ground potential. And it is ground potential means what? The signal available on it will be 0. So like this, I am making this port as output as well as the signal is available 0 on that port. Clear? Understood? Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
Repeat करायचं आहे.
करा, sir.
Okay. So requirement, we know that. What requirement? To make the port 3 as output, writing 0 on that. 0 means what? On the this latch flip-flop input is coming 0. Sending high means high will come here. So this is 0 means Q is 0. Q0 means what? Input 0 is coming. And by default, AOF, alternate output pin will be 1. So 1, 0 is input to the NAND gate. So output will be high only. At this output high, the FET will be on. FET on means what? This signal port is connected to the ground signal. So port is connected to ground signal means what? The signal available on this port 3.x is equal to 0. So I'm writing 0 on the port by making it is a output port. Clear?
Yes.
Last in that port 3 as an output port, I'm writing 1 on that. Change will be what only? Here writing 1 signal on that. Okay. So sending high level signal on this means the QD will be 1. That will make the Q is 1. Q1 same time AOF signal will be 1. So both signals 1 means the FET will be, sorry, the output of this and NAND gate will be 0. Output NAND gate 0 means FET is off. FET off means what? This port 3.x pin connected to the VCC. Okay, VCC connection means what? This signal available on this port will be high level, that is 5 volt supply voltage. And high level signal means we are talking about logic family. Data is 1 on that pin. So writing, we're done with the writing 1 on that port pin. And the last in that, to make that port 3 as alternate output function, thing is we have to write internally internal bus high level signal, and as per the signal applied at the AOF will be forwarded to the AND gate, and that will provide the this signal to the at this point here. Means the requirement is what? First we need to send the high level signal on this D1 Q1. Okay, as D1 Q1 means what? Depends upon what is signal coming on this alternate output pin, that will forwarded here. Okay, so that will make this AND gate, NAND gate will be operational, either 0 1. If it will be 0, what happens? This is 0, this is 1, output will be 1 only. So that will make the FET on means grounded. So signal come on this will be 0. Means we have sent a 0 on this pin, we'll get the 0 here. If I write 1 on this pin, alternate pin, and this D will be 1, Q1, 1 1 signal comes here, 1 1 makes the 0 here. 0 means FET is off. Means FET off means no ground signal, or the VCC comes to the alternate pin, means high level signal is coming on the alternate pin here. So we can use this port 3 as a multifunctional. Do you want to take this or we'll keep it as a homework? लिहून घ्यायचं तुम्हाला? Hello. देशमुख रिप्लाय करायचं लवकर. As per choice. काय म्हणताय?
लिहित होतो आम्ही.
म्हणजे ऍज अ होमवर्क करून घेता.
येस सर.
Okay. Right, next point in this chapter, so we have finished the port. Now only remaining is the memory management scheme, and then timers are there operational, and then we have the interrupts and the instruction set. So that will require 3 4 hours, 5 hours. We'll finish that. And next point, memory allocation or memory management in the 8051. And draw this diagram fast. It's not required to write whole this thing. I will tell how to write. First write the point. Next point, memory management or memory allocation in the 8051. So thing is very easy. We're starting in the bank 0. So we know that in the memory, if you talk about RAM location, 100 byte is there. In that, all these registers, SFRs are going to be fitted by allocated the memory for that. So out of that, if you talk about starting with the bank 0, depends upon the, if you observe, remember PSW pins RS0, RS1, register select. We have the 4 banks operation for that: bank 0, bank 1, bank 2, and bank 3. Okay, so each bank will for the 8 registers, that is R0 to R7, that is used for the operation, and that will be in the writing program of this thing. Once will come at the instruction set, this R0, each register is 8 bit, you can use for the operation. Okay, so thing is from this we can write R0 dot first we write for the bank 0 R0 to R7, then for remaining R0 dash dash R7, our third bank R0 dash dash R7, like that. Okay, and starting address we know that always from the 00. So always it is for the bank 0 8 bit. So 00 to this 7 it will be 8 bit. Then after 7 we know the 8 plus 8 will be 16. That is we'll talk about 0 to 15. That's why 8 to 15 will be next address, that is 08 to 0F. So each data coming here at this point, add the 8 bit in that, that will give, that will 16 means 10 in the hex. So all this value in the hex format. So why I'm telling this, because MCQ is asking that. For example, in the RAM location of the 8051, the bank 1 having the address starting from this to this dash dash. So it's from 08 to 0F, like that. So logic I told, starting with the 00, add 8 bits in that, that it becomes 00 to 7. Okay, 8 bits adding in that. Then after 7 with the 8 plus 8 adding, it becomes 16. But we're starting 0, that's why it will be up to F 15 level. Okay, that it is coming with the 16 bit total here. In that, add 8 again more plus, starting from the 16 to the next 17 bit. Like that, add it. Now these diagrams, 3 diagrams, fast. So here we're taken from lower to higher. Huh? So you can like this also, from this to this also. Is bank 0 here, bank 2, bank 3, bank 0, bank 1, bank 2, bank 3, like this also. Both way correct. So it's not required to write this row, all these things. Make one square only, one square like this, below that next square like this. And from the left side top, give the address 00, 07 at the first block ending, then 08 for the first second block starting, and then here 0F for the ending block of the second. Means it is shown column rows, it's not required to show it here. By default is 8 bit, you can understand it. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By default is 8 bit size only. Praktish Wagmode, what I asked in last lecture. Praktish Wagmode is there? Hello. Wagmode, are you listening? Hello. My voice is audible?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Then what is problem with the Pratyush Wagmode? Why is not replying? Pratyush Wagmode? Not replying means I'll put his absenteeism by default. Then draw the second square block, and it is address for 16-bit addressable registers. And then next block for the 80 general purpose registers are there. Starting the address 80, not 80, 30 to 7F. Don't require to write down all this thing here. For first block only write R0 to R1, R2, R7 only. Next R0 dash dash R7. Then third R0 dash dash R7, like that. Over. Is it over?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's understand. As I said that part, we know that in our architecture diagram, we have seen that it will offer the different registers for using the different operations, as well as it offers the 16-bit addressable registers. Meaning is that what? In single bit, we can perform the operation coming from this memory location 20 to the 2EF. So this will be 16-bit. Meaning is that each bit can be addressed. So you can apply the any operation on the single bit of that bit addressable memory on the registers only. Okay, and along with it offer the 80 different types of general purpose registers. If you talk about various function SFRs are there in that will come the here, means SCON, PCON, TCON, TMOD, means what are the interrupts are there. To control that interrupts, we have the very specific register that is called as a SFRs, special function registers. So that will come under these 4 ports are there, which have 8-bit always. Then stack pointer, program counter, all these things comes under the 80 general purpose registers. Means what is the memories available in that our controller? It allocates for the different registers they are used in that. It's an architecture diagram. Means first starting with the 0 to the 1F is for the 4 different register banks are there. Okay, each for each register bank, 8 bits are going to be assigned. Next, as we said that it is having the 16-bit addressable, that is used for the meaning is that for bit addressable on single bit. If we talk about our, I'll write here, you'll understand that. Text box. If you talk about to move a comma 0B, meaning is that I'm writing the bit operation on that 101010. So on single bit, it is 8 bit, 101010. So on single bit, I can have the operation when it come in this bit address of that. So meaning of that. Otherwise, simple 8-bit operation totally on that. But when I want to come on operate for the single bit, that will allocate for this memory, that purpose only. These registers are there for addressing the single bit operation on that. And this special function registers that we're going to see in the next slide is there for that. Okay, so this is here written that same thing only. If you talk about our data memory, RAM memory, also called as a data memory. So in that, write down below that, very important thing, we have to write the RAM memory means data and that ROM memory, what is size. Written below that. After the first diagram is over, below that write down. (8051) microcontroller MUSI 8051 microcontroller has both RAM as well as the ROM memory. Has both RAM as well as the ROM memory. Below that, RAM memory dash, it's a data memory and size 128 byte. RAM memory dash, it is a data memory and size is going to be 128 byte. What is size of ROM? Below the next memory, ROM memory. What is size? ROM memory काय म्हणतो? We discussed about that, ROM, PROM, EPROM, ESPROM, flash. Did you remember that? Hello. ROM means it's a program memory or code memory, you can say. Write down ROM dash, it's a program memory or code memory. We are writing the code permanently in that memory location of the controller. Nowadays size internally it has 4 kilobit of ROM. Then write down this diagram draw करून घ्या. Write faster, we'll finish after this. Over, diagram is over. Diagram is over. Hello.
No, sir.
If you डायरेक्ट ड्रेसिंग जर तुम्ही ड्रॉ नाही केलं चालतंय, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट टेबल त्याचं आहे हिअर. दिस इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट ऍड्रेस टेबल. Means for each register they have given the memory location inside the RAM. मग हे फक्त तुम्ही 2 ड्रॉ केलं चालतंय, दिस डायग्राम आणि दिस. आता तुम्ही ड्रॉ केले हे आधी सेकंड. Okay, finish it fast. Because here only we required to write only minimum and maximum address, lower and higher address bit. Done? Hello?
Yes.
So this third part, just we have seen that. If you observe there, this diagram, it has the 4 bank registers, then 16-bit registers address, and 80 purpose. So after each, so after this is there, and at topmost it is there. That is for the facial function SFRs. If you observe here, check it out. 80 general purpose SFRs means what was the registers are there. That is the PCON, TCON, TMOD, SCON, SBUF, TM, TL0, TH0. All the registers what is required here, facial function, that comes under this 80 general purpose registers, including port pins also. That will see what is that 80 general purpose registers are there. Then as we said that for operation of the bit, each bit, it has the 16-bit addressable registers. This address we actually just before the slide only. And the 4 banks, bank 0, bank 1, bank 2, bank 3, starting with the address of each 007, each of each. So this lower address of data RAM memory is called as direct and the indirect addressing. Means we can directly take the data and can be send the data, store the data at this memory. If you talk about addressing modes, that time you'll understand that what is direct and the indirect. Okay, this thing is there. And as we said that, what are the special function registers are there? The address of each it is given here. Okay, starting with the accumulator B registers. We know that in architecture diagram we have seen that A register, B registers. A means accumulator. Okay, then PSW, IP, IC, TCON, PCON, SBUF. All these special function registers are here. If you want to use these, at what location it is there and how to see the result of that, it is shown here. So the RAM memory of that 8051 always assigned for the each registers I am using, that is special function registers in that will be assigned here. Okay, and the address from that starting with the 80 to the FF. And for each, if you talk about port also, they have given the address. If you talk about port 3, port 1, port 2, where is the port 0? Here, P0 is the address of what? 80. Then P1, 90. Okay, then we have the port 2, A0, port 3, B0. Each port having the 8 bits are there. You can see that like this. So this indicates that how the RAM is going to allocate the different memories on that. And sometimes frequently asking the MCQ on that, what will the address for the bank 1 in the RAM location? So you need to understand the if you have the logic, remember bank 0, 0 to 7, bank 1, 8 to like that, 0F, adding always 18-bit, it will indicate that. So for bank 2, the address starting from the 10 to 17. So like that. This is easy for that. And you have to remember like this, 16-bit starting in the 20 and 2F, and 80 general purpose 30 to 7F. Okay, so simply this for what? Sometimes MCQ asking that, that's why it is taken here. And more specifically, if you ask that like this, what is to be address for the port 0 or accumulator or the B registers? So from this we can tell the address of that also. Okay, already we have ahead of the time. We'll stop it here. On things of this, it is written here. We should understand that all things are written here. How to select the banks R0.7 registers. based on the value of R's, RS0, RS1, it can be selected. We'll see in the next lecture. In the next lecture, we'll write some part of this, some memory location point on that. Today is 22nd. चलो who is absent? 1, 2, 3. Call numbers fast. Roll number call करा सर्वांनी.
1, 2,
3 absent.
4, 5,
6. For next 7.
6,
You have to call madam. 7. Janvi Devdekar absent. She is keeping mobile aside and doing other tasks. 8.
9,
8 also absent. 10.
10,
11.
11,
12.
12,
Fast.
13.
14. 14.
Yes, sir, 14 present.
15.
15,
16.
16,
17.
17,
18.
18,
19.
19,
20.
20,
21.
21,
22.
22,
23.
23,
24.
24,
25.
25.
26. Absent. 27. Absent. 28.
28.
29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
33.
Yes, sir.
34. 34 absent. 35.
Present, sir.
36. Absent. 37.
present,
38. Absent. 39.
Present, sir.
40. 40. Absent. 41. 42.
Present, sir.
43. Absent. 44. 45. Absent.
sir. 45.
45 is there. Okay. 46.
Present, sir.
47.
Present, sir.
48.
Present, sir.
49. 50. 51. 52.
Present, sir.
Okay. So option numbers 3, 7, 8, 26, 27, 34, 36, 38, 40, 41, 43, 44, 49, 50, 51. Chalo, you can go for next lecture fast.